How to sell clothes on Roblox mobile. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can sell clothes on Roblox mobile. So let's get started. First of all, you can open your Roblox account, and here at the bottom right you'll be able to see an option that says more. So just click on more, and once you do so you gotta click on inventory. Now here in inventory you gotta select the category. Now if you're selling clothes, obviously you'll have to select clothes, and in order to do that you can simply come to your marketplace, and here you can select clothings. Now here in clothings you'll be able to see all of the clothings available in the market right now. So what you can simply do is select the clothing that you have already in your inventory, that you own, because obviously you can only sell the items that you already have in inventory and you have bought them. Now let's suppose if this is the item that you wish to sell, so these are the clothes that you wish to sell. You can simply click on these three dots over here, and then over here you'll be able to see an option that says sell, which is the same for the limited ones. And here you'll be able to see an option that says sell, so you can simply add a price for your clothing in Robux, and the remaining amount of Robux would be displayed at the bottom of that. So you need to note down that you need to have premium in order to sell any of the items from your inventory. So you can simply just sell that. So that is basically how to sell clothes on Roblox mobile. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.